Today we'll be using the Bolt Wizard to create multiple fasteners in the Ansys solver environment. Here we have a number of different types of options for creating a bolt. We'll select the bolt with a nut, and here if we make a bad pick, I can hold down the shift key to deselect, and we'll pick the edges of the hole on the head side. Then we can specify the spider diameter. We'll select 0.6, and then we'll define the edges for the nut side. And here we'll select the same spider diameter. Next we can select the type of shank element that we'd like, as well as the type of spider element. And then we can create all 4 fasteners in one command. Let's take a closer look at what was just created. First we'll look at the shank element. Here we can see the beam 188s that were created. And here we can see our spider elements. Now, if we want those spider elements to go out exactly 0.6 inches in diameter, we'll need to make some changes to our bracket. Now here you can see it appears as though there is a mapped mesh around the hole. If we create a circle around the hole with the same diameter as our fastener, what we'll see is that the nodes aren't exactly all the way out to our fastener head washer face diameter. If we want it to be, what we can do is put a mapped mesh control on the hole. And here we'll do both of them, since we have the same fastener in both locations. And here we can specify a layer depth, which if we do some math, we can see that we need a layer depth of 0.1125 in order to get a mapped mesh to line up exactly with our washer face diameter. So here we can see that our mesh has updated for our Bolt Wizard, and because we're using an assembly FEM and this bracket is used in multiple locations, that change to our mapped mesh control around our hole is reflected in all locations. And that's how to use the Bolt Wizard in the Ansys solver environment.